What's up everyone? Tyler here, LWS Live With Us, where we're gonna go off-grid in our RV full time. We're gonna live out there for at least the next 2 years. I'm kind of hoping that this takes off. Maybe we could stay out there forever. We'll see. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace the vent in your RV roof. Get a brand new one, just like that. Take this old, ugly one out. Show you step by step on how to do that. Phew! Alright, y'all, so first, I sealed up all these gaps. I had a little piece of plywood. I'm guessing that's from the roof. This is actually the ceiling. And so I just sealed everything together that way in case any moisture ever does get behind the new vent, that nothing's gonna get inside the wood and cause damage. All you'll have to do is replace your vent again. Here's what it looked like before so you can see the cracks I was talking about. The next thing you're gonna wanna do is remove these bolts from the vent. Come back to you guys as soon as I get that. Alright everyone, I just wanted to show you these screws just in case yours are covered like mine were. So I just took the screwdriver, scraped it around, get the nice little chunk off, and then you could take a drill with no screw and they should pop right out. Now we've got all the screws out. It's time to cut this seal. Just want to cut right here into this line. Cut that all the way around. We're gonna do the same thing at the top too. This works best with like a nice long X-Acto knife or a nice thick one. I'll show you guys what I'm using. In order to cut this seal, you want to go on the side right here, get a nice strong X-Acto knife, come around the entire thing, just cut that seal out. If you're having troubles getting it out, a DeWalt multi-tool like this will help. Once you've gone and cut all the way around it, inside and out, should pop right off. I'm gonna go out with the old, in with the new. Alright, so I went ahead and primed this raw metal because I like to use Flex Paste, Flex Seal. It's my favorite stuff. Cures up, gets stronger as it goes. So what we're gonna do is lay some Flex Seal into here. I'm gonna put our new vent on. Make sure that when you put your vent on that your hinge here is going the right way. I like my hinge going so that the front of the RV would, as if you're driving, it's gonna blow your vent closed as if you left it open. So I put my hinge towards the front. You're gonna need some of these sheet metal screws or any screws that are recommended for the surface of your roof. Mine's sheet metal screws. Put all those in. And now you're gonna want to put a generous amount here. Anything that comes out the sides, you can pick that up later. But you're just gonna want to make sure that your vent is sealed in really nice. We're planning on going to a lot of areas that have snow, rain, hot sun. We're gonna do the whole entire country. If you guys are interested in watching that too, please go down, hit the subscribe button, and you can also hit the notification bell. That way every time we post a video, you'll see it first. Alright, so I got the vent on and I started to place the screws. But I like to put a little bit of Flex Seal at the bottom of the screw. That way when you drive it in, all you're going to be doing is driving in fresh sealant all the way around the screw and inside of what it's going into. I also like to start these screws with the drill. You can see I'll kind of just barely get it down there. And I'll finish it off with the screwdriver. That way you can tell the tension. You don't want to over tighten these things because then your screw will just keep spinning. I like to feel for that point, nice and tight. So this is how you want your bolts to look once you're done. Get them nice and covered. Pretty awesome. Stoked. And then I went back around this seal on the edge, hit that again with some Flex Seal. You should be nice and tight, ready to go. I'll take you guys down to the inside so we can finish it off. Choo! Alright, now mine came with a detachable knob. So we're gonna have to put that onto there. Everything else is looking good. Our last and final step is to put this ring on. That's gonna cover it. Be our final finesse. Just like that, everyone. This is a completed roof replacement for your RV or trailer, even. Some more of you that go down and hit that subscribe button helps us out a lot. If you could hit the like button, that'll help YouTube so that they'll share our video with other people. And then if you could share this with your friends, that would help us out even more. Thank you all for watching again. Can't wait for the next episode. Don't even know what it's gonna be, but stay tuned because we're coming with something. Ew!